Yo, what's up, niggas? Sunday, November 16th, 2025. We got a market analysis for the NASDAQ, the S&P, Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, gold, silver, and the US dollar index. So on NQ and ES, we're overall bearish. Market's been trending towards the downside, and we broke structure on November 4th. We broke structure and we can see it trade down all the way to 24,700 to that key level. Price came back up into this fair value gap, into this bullish imbalance we had. Then we continued to break structure towards the downside. Currently, we stand right here. I believe that tomorrow and sometime early this week, we should see a retracement into this bearish imbalance and fair value gap into the zero point 0.5 PD array, also known as equilibrium, down anywhere in between this range we want to see price trade into and then react off of. And if we get that reaction, then we'll be targeting all this sell side liquidity resting down here. Same for NQ. Same exact thing for NQ. For overall, the EU and GU pairs have been consolidating like crazy, trading decently. We're overall bearish. We haven't broke structure on the daily chart towards the upside. However, on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, we're overall bullish. I think price is going to see a trade back down into this imbalance that we left early August. Trade back down into these levels and just continue to consolidate until some news comes out with the US dollar, something happens because the US dollar is overall losing its value. So on GU, we broke it, we're bearish as fuck. We're bearish as fuck on GU. I drew out this Fibonacci retracement, this OTE. So we want to see price trade into max this 0.705 level and then react off of, but we're already getting bearish reactions off of equilibrium. So what that means is pretty much we're overall bearish, looking for shorts all this week. On GJ, and we're bullish. We have this bullish imbalance. I drew out again the PD arrays. We can see this price reacts off of every single one of these levels, continues up, break structure towards the upside. We have liquidity resting right here. We have liquidity here as well. We're overall bullish. We can go ahead and mark out the PD arrays from this wick as well. See if price trades down into equilibrium from this level. We have this 5-minute gap as well that got hit and then didn't continue up. So we'll see what happens with this. We're overall bullish, looking for longs. We just have to wait until tomorrow morning, market open, see where price shifts into, and then from there, look for trades. I'll be live trading every day from 8 to 12 on the Discord. Gold. Gold. Gold is interesting because we've been on a massive uptrend recently, and especially ever since the beginning of this time, pretty much. But gold has been on this massive uptrend just until the beginning of or the end of October, beginning of November. We had these massive moves towards the downside. We were overbought. We needed that. We needed that badly. I do believe that gold is going to continue up. We did break structure towards the downside, and but from this we created a bullish imbalance. I drew out the PD arrays. Again, every imbalance I like to draw out these PD arrays because these are very important key levels. Every single one of these, imbalances, every single one of these PD arrays are very important levels that price reacts off of. And what I'm looking for on gold and silver is we did get this reaction off the midpoint of this imbalance. So I want to see price close above here, and then from there we can look for longs on gold. Right now, I'm not bearish. I'm just not bearish on gold or silver, so I'm not going to be looking for shorts. Maybe retracement shorts, retracement plays, but overall, I'm bullish. I think we were just overbought. We needed a little sell off real quick, but now I'm still bullish on gold and silver. And I believe that we're going to continue going up because as we continue to lose value on the US dollar since everything is moving into cryptocurrency, digital currency, all that. Gold is pretty much the the global foreign exchange. Gold is the global foreign exchange. You can go to gold and take it to Dubai and you know what I'm saying, it's worth the same. So gold is like that reserve for the US dollar. So I believe while the US dollar continues to go down, gold is going to jump and continue to jump like we're doing. And we can see that on the US dollar. We've been coming down ever since the beginning of this year. From ever since January, look at that. Crazy, 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 crazy. Just bear run. And we're going to continue to go down. And in the long term, from 5 to 10 years, I believe that the dollars is going to completely lose its value and we're going to be absolutely shifted into digital currencies. And that's where the long-term investments like Palantir, Bitcoin, most crypto, like stable coins, all that's going to be very, very, very important in the future. So keep your eyes out. Keep your eyes open for that. On silver, we can see the exact same thing. We massive, massive uptrend. On the daily, we created these equal highs, which which is a straw draw on liquidity. And like I said, we drew out this bearish imbalance PD arrays. We can see it's reacting perfectly off of equilibrium in the top of this. So we're overall bullish on silver as well and bearish on the US dollar. I believe that price is gonna just dump on the US dollar these next couple months. But yeah, it's the overall market analysis for this week. Um, Live trading every single day from 8 to 12. Let's print some money, ladies and gentlemen, and keep gay people out of your lives. Peace.